Hello children, today I am going to explain you property of electron, the next topic of the chapter atomic structure and chemical bonding. But before that I want to recall the previous module in which I discussed William Crookes experiment, what actually he has done. William Crookes, a British scientist, noted that gases are ordinary poor conductor of electricity. However, when a high voltage charge from an induction coil is applied to the tubes filled with the gases at very low pressure, that is 0.01 mmHg, the gases become good conductor of electricity and begin to flow from cathode to anode in the form of rays. Since these rays originated from the negative plate, that is the cathode, and travel from the cathode towards the anode, and they are called cathode rays. Now, I want to tell you regarding properties of electron. Electron from all resources are alike, having identical mass. They are a constituent part of all atoms. The mass of electron is 1/1837, the mass of the hydrogen atom. An electron carries unit negative charge of magnitude minus 1.602 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. The electron is extremely small. Its radius is less than 1 into 10 to power minus 15 meter. An electron may be defined as a subatomic particle having unit negative charge and a mass equal to 1/187 of hydrogen atom. It is denoted by symbol -1 E naught. The superscript 0 represent its mass and subscript -1 represent its electrical charge. Atoms are found to electrically neutral, so they must contain in addition particles that are positively charged, such that the total negative charge of the electrons is equal to total positive charge. This realization led to the discovery of positively charged subatomic particle, proton. Now I am going to discuss discovery of proton. Goldstein noticed another set of rays traveling in a direction opposite to that of cathode rays, that is from anode towards cathode. When a perforated cathode was used in the above discharge tube, he called these rays canal rays, since they are passed through the holes or canals in the cathode. These rays were named as positive rays or anode rays. Properties of anode rays. Anode rays travel in a straight line. They consist of minute material particles, hence produce mechanical effort. They are made up of positively charged particles. Positively rays are deflected by electric and magnetic field, but in a direction opposite to that of cathode rays. This means that these rays consist of positive charged particles called proton. These rays produce fluorescence on a zinc sulfide screen. Their E/m, that is charge to mass ratio, different from gas to gas. Its value is much less than that of electron and is maximum when hydrogen is taken in the discharge tube. Proton may be defined as a subatomic particle having mass 1 AMU, that is equal to the hydrogen atom, and has unit positive charge. It is denoted by +1 P1. The superscript 1 represents the mass 1 AMU and subscript +1 represents the 1 unit positive charge. Now properties of protons. A proton possesses a unit positive charge +1 and its value is 1.602 into 10 to power minus 19 coulomb. Its mass is same as that of hydrogen, 1 AMU, that is 1837 times of mass of electron, which is 1.672 either or 1.673 into 10 to power minus 27 kilogram or minus 24 gram. The proton resides in the central part of an atom, that is in the nucleus. Now afterwards I want to discuss discovery of neutron. By now we know that an atom contains electron and protons, and that of atomic mass of an electron is negligible. Therefore, an atom of the helium which contains 2 protons should have mass 2 into 1 AMU, that is 2 AMU. But atomic mass of the helium atom was found to be approximately 4.0 AMU. It was therefore proposed that in the nucleus of an atom there must be another particle. The particle should not possess any electrical charge and must be equal in the mass of proton. In 1932, Chadwick discovered that the particle by bombarding light nuclei like beryllium with the alpha particle, that is helium nuclei. These particles are found to be neutral, so named as neutrons. A neutron is a subatomic particle or fundamental particle of an atom which has no charge and mass almost equal to the mass of the proton, that is hydrogen atom. Neutron is denoted by 0 and 1. The superscript 1 represent its mass and subscript 0 represent its electrical charge. Properties of neutron. The particle was not found to be reflected by any magnetic or electric field, proving that it is electrically neutral. Its mass is equal to 1.675 either or 1.676 into 10 to power minus 24 gram or 10 to power minus 27 kilogram AMU. You can write like so. This is about electron, proton and neutron. Hope you understand. Thanks.